Hello everyone. What do you do when you have overripe bananas sitting on the kitchen counter? We turn them into a dessert. With the goodness of bananas teamed up with yummy chocolate, we turn them into a treat for you. What's more, it is eggless and it is made of whole wheat flour. You are watching DCIRT, and in the DCIRT recipe series, today we have eggless whole wheat banana chocolate muffins. Made with easy to find ingredients, let us see how to make these muffins. First of all, take 2 large ripe bananas. Peel them and mash it well with a fork and keep it aside. Now take a big bowl, add 1/4 cup of oil. Here we can use any vegetable oil, olive oil or coconut oil. We are using olive oil. To it add 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and mix it very well. Add the mashed bananas, 1/3 cup of curd, and give it a good mix. If you want to make it with egg, you can use 1 egg here instead of curd. Give it a good mix to combine everything together. Take a sieve on top of the bowl and add 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour. Half teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Here goes 1 teaspoon and then 1/4 teaspoon. And then add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Sieve it well into the bowl directly. Then mix the dry and wet ingredients well. Don't overmix, as we want the batter to be airy, which will make the muffins light and fluffy. Overmixing will yield to dense muffins. Now add half cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Keep few aside to sprinkle on the muffins later. If you want to add a crunch in the otherwise soft muffins with the chocolate chips, you can add any nuts of your choice. Walnuts will go well with chocolate muffins. Now take a muffin tray and arrange the muffin liners in it. With this recipe, we can make 9 big sized muffins. Scoop out the batter in each cup. Fill only 3/4 of the cup, as the muffins rise very beautifully and it will not overflow the cup. If you are using small size muffin tray, you can get more number of muffins. Sprinkle the leftover chocolate chips on top. Let us keep this tray in the oven, which was preheated at 200 degrees Celsius. Bake the muffins for 200 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes and then lower the temperature to 175 degrees and bake for another 12 to 13 minutes. Baking the muffins in a higher temperature for the first 5 minutes will give the muffin to rise very nicely and give it a height. It took us total 18 minutes for the muffin to bake. Check with a toothpick if the muffins are done. If an inserted toothpick comes out clean, it means the muffins are done. If not, you can bake it for a longer time. Transfer the muffin to a wire rack to cool completely. Wow, look at that yummy muffins. Plate and serve these muffins as a breakfast, snack or an after dinner dessert. You can keep the muffins at room temperature for 3 days. Beyond that, you may have to freeze the muffins. And when you want to eat them, you can just microwave it for 30 seconds. It will be as good as the fresh ones. For more such interesting and yummy recipes, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.